Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I'm so glad you're here. Today's spotlight letter is P. P is for pajamas. Pajamas are soft, comfy clothes you wear to bed so you can sleep soundly. Did you know? Some pajamas have fun patterns like stars, animals, or even your favorite cartoon characters. P is for paint. Paint comes in many bright colors that help us create beautiful art. Did you know? You can mix different paints together to create new colors, like making purple by mixing red and blue. P is for pan. A pan is a tool we use in the kitchen to cook yummy food like pancakes and eggs. Did you know? Pans can be made of metal or even non-stick surfaces, which help make cooking easier. P is for parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can mimic sounds and sometimes even talk. Did you know? Parrots love to eat fruits, nuts, and seeds, and they enjoy playing and flying around. P is for park. A park is a fun outdoor place with swings, slides, and grassy fields where you can play and run around. Did you know? Parks are great spots to have a picnic, fly a kite, or just enjoy nature. What is your favorite P word? Let's practice tracing the uppercase letter P. Draw the vertical line, place your finger on the number 1 at the top left and move your finger down to the bottom. This line forms the backbone of your P. Add the curved loop, place your finger on number 2 at the top, draw a curved line that goes to the right and then curves back toward the vertical line. The curve should meet about halfway down. You did it! You can pause the video and do it again and again. Parents use this guide to help your child write the uppercase P with pencil and paper. Happy writing! See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.